Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Daddy. Welcome to grade 7 Rosario. It's nice to see you again. Peace be with you.
Okay, everybody sit down. So today po, we will going to check your activities yesterday. Did you do that? Now, I want you to exchange your notebook with your teammates. Okay, the first activity that we will going to check is your activity number 1. But before that, let's have a short review muna. It's about, yes. Okay, so our focus is to study what is literary text analysis. And we had 3 topics that we already discussed. What are the 3 topics, yes? Point of view, narrative techniques, organic unity. Very good. Now naman, let's check your work na. Okay? So for your activity number 1, you have to identify the point of view being used in each given sentences. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's check. Number 1. Who wants to answer number 1? Yes. First person point of view, correct? What about the second one? Tere. Very good. What about the third one? Yes, Gomez. Okay, what about the fourth one? Yes. Third person point of view, very good. What about the fifth one? Yes. Third person. Third person, limited. Okay, number 5 is third person, limited. Okay, what about number 6? First person. Oh, what about number 7? Yes. Second person. What about the last one? Yes, Gomez. Third person, limited. Okay, who got 8? Nice. What about 7? Good. What about 6? 5, 4, 3. Okay. So let's check your activity number 2. Okay, number 1. What is your answer? It's characterization. Specifically, direct characterization. Okay, what about number 2? Yes, Tere? Dialogue. Dialogue. What about number 3? Yes. Imagery. What about number 4? Flashback. Very good. What about number 5? Number 5? Imagery. Okay, what about number 6? Symbolism. What about number 7? Narinig ko na. It's stream of consciousness. Okay, what about number 8? It's setting description. Okay? Ang ka? 8, 7, good, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. For your expanding horizon, you just have to give any sacrifices done with your lolo, lola, cousins, titas, bunso, ate, kuya. Okay. Oh, you have to check it na lang. Anak, dun ka muna, anak. Sa pang-apat, ha?
Kaya't ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-like na, mag-comment, mag-share, and follow for more videos. O siya, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!